All right, we finna travel back home. Next, we got Ojapiano by Kcee. This is, I believe, going to be Amapiano. So I don't know what to expect, but without further ado, let's go. But like, I need to sit up. Oh, wow. What? Wow. Like, the saturation in this, the colors are popping. Each scene is absolutely beautiful. Oh, that was a cool shot. Oh, and that whistle or that flute, that's the Oja flute? Yeah, I know, I knew that. That's the Oja flute, I believe. And that sounds beautiful as well. So, wow, wow. This is beautiful.
You know it's easy to be wise, yo. Now the lead be strong man, yo. See as them they look, yo. All eyes on me like a Tupac, yo.
The guy keeps covering his face. It's cool though.
Strong man, yo. See as them they look, yo. All eyes on me like a Tupac, yo. I keep them balance.
This just make you want to dance, yo.
Too bad, yo. I know they for your chit chat, yo. Carry your matter, they go TikTok, yo. My gentle days on go. I know they look back, yo.
Damn, this shit is beautiful, bro. I'm just so amazed at this cinematography, bro. Like the colors, I'm feeling like a mix of emotions. I'm feeling happy and ecstatic because this song, the beat, the vocals, it all just makes you want to get up and dance. And then looking at this as an African American as well, it's just like, God, I wish I was there. It's just like, fuck. It just looks so beautiful and bright and colorful. And I know the reality, of course, could be potentially different or have its ups and downs, but it's just like, God damn, you see shit like this and you like, puts into perspective what all as a culture you're missing out on, you know? How come the guy's not showing his face? Is he doing like the UK thing where he's like a criminal, so like he has to hide his identity?
There you go, see commando. When I land, there you go, see commando. I don't land, there you go, see commando. When we land, there you go, see commando. We don't land, I go.
a breath of fresh air. Now, this is the first song I've kind of listened to outside of like the rock and the Vietnam War era stuff I've kind of been listening to today. So this is such a breath of fresh air in comparison to that stuff. Meaning, what I mean by that is like, it's just such a different dichotomy. Like, wow, wow. What a great song. We're going to have to definitely listen to more of him. For sure. Let's add this to the playlist. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's add this to the playlist. But, boom. I can't understand the lyrics, unfortunately. I am trying to learn Yoruba, but I don't even know if this guy's Nigerian. He is, right? Because the Oja flute, and correct me down in the comments, the Oja flute belongs to the Igbo tribe, right? Or it doesn't belong to any tribe. Let me know. But I completely forgot what I was saying. I completely forgot what the fuck I was gonna say. But moral of my story, this was a great song. I weirdly feel connected to it. Like, I don't know if it's the beat, I don't know if it's the visuals, but it's like, it also, I feel like in my heart or in my chest kind of opened up like a bit of longing, if you will. Like I said, just the bright colors, seeing all the people, the dashikis, the different cultural elements just really kind of stirred up a bit of a feeling of longing. It almost created a bit of loneliness in me watching it, outside of the pure joy I experienced from the beat and the vocals and the visuals as well. So this is a 10 out of 10 record for me. We're going to keep more of this coming. Let me know what else you want to hear from either him or other African, Amapiano, dance hall, Jamaican, UK drill, whatever. Even, hey, send me some Punjabi shit next, and I'm going to react. But it's your boy, Newest Devontae, Illuminous Frequencies. Peace, love, and light equals life now more than ever. Support your local scenes, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.